Okay, this one's for Gabby.
The rainforest creates 40% of the oxygen that we use.
More than 50% of animals live there.
80% of the flowers come from the rainforest.
Some plants are medicine to help get cancer away. 1/4 of medicines are discovered in rainforests.
6% of Earth's land surface is rainforest. Orangutans lives in the tropical rainforest. Orangutans live only on 2 islands.
Emergent layer can be 266 feet tall. Tropical rainforests are close to the equator. 50 to 260 inches of the rainforest falls every year. That's not good. Deforestation is the clearing or cutting down of forests by humans. 3.5 billion trees are cut down in the rainforest each year.
Wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
I feel sad because the animals, trees, and homes are getting cut down.
This makes me so mad and sad because they are not replanting trees. I feel nervous because some animals and plants might get extinct. This makes me feel angry because people are cutting down our trees and sloths need trees to live in. It is so sad.
Sad because animals are dying.
I feel like crying because the animals that are there could die. I do not like animals to die in the rainforest.
This makes me feel sad because people are cutting down animals' homes. This makes me feel sad because if that was my home, I would not have any food. By having tag days so then the money goes to planting trees in the rainforest.
Will you help us?
Also on the faces of people passing by, I see friends shaking hands singing, how do you do?